Stop leaving your driving experience to chance and start cruising with the total confidence that only a world-class radar detector can provide. If you've ever felt stressed about missing a sudden speed trap or getting caught off guard by a red light camera you didn't see, the Uniden R7 is the ultimate co-pilot you need on your dashboard. This isn't just about speed. It's about having a highly sophisticated piece of technology that scans the road ahead and behind you, giving you the real-time awareness you need to stay focused, alert, and entirely in control. What makes the R7 an absolute legend in the industry is its dual antenna design paired with directional arrows. While most detectors just beep and leave you guessing where the signal is coming from, this unit shows you exactly where the threat is located, helping you distinguish between a harmless storefront sensor and a legitimate radar source instantly. The range is genuinely extreme, picking up signals from miles away, which gives you plenty of time to adjust and react long before you're even in the vicinity. Plus, with built-in GPS and a constantly updated database of red light and speed cameras, you're getting proactive warnings that help you avoid those annoying, preventable tickets. Beyond the raw performance, it is just incredibly user-friendly to live with on a daily basis. The voice alerts are clear and crisp, so you don't have to keep your eyes glued to the display, and the internal GPS allows you to mute those pesky false alerts in locations you frequent, keeping your cabin quiet and stress-free. It's rugged, reliable, and it feels like a professional-grade tool rather than a toy. If you're ready to finally stop worrying about what's around the next bend and start enjoying your drive with the security of the best detection tech on the market, click the link below for the best price.